Welcome to our last day of professional development. Today we're going to spend a lot of time sharing within your content area. We spent a lot of time working within our grouping levels, but that didn't always give us a chance to work with people on the same exact discipline that we're teaching. So from 8 until 8:15, we're going to make sure that we're working to get everybody in the right content area groups, not only by subject, but then also by grade levels as well. From 8:15 to 9:30, we are going to have a sharing session on online assessments, where you'll get a chance to share a quiz or a quiz bank that you've been able to create. And then you will work with your content area to create a possible quiz that you could use for an upcoming lesson, or hopefully for the same set of lessons that you have been working on. From 9:30 to 10:45, we'll be working with our presentation and discussion boards, where again, you'll have a chance to share out what you've already learned and what you've already been using. But with this new lesson and unit that we're working on, to take a chance to actually create a discussion board you'd be able to use with your students in class. From 10:45 to 12 o'clock, we're going to look at videos in the classroom. And again, your goal is by the end of this session is to create a video that you would be able to then upload onto your Canvas site for students to be able to watch. We're going to go a little bit over and go till 12:15 to end up with the closing, because the evaluation form again is so important to be filled out, especially since it's the last session. It will help set the tone in order to see what other future trainings we might need, or to really make sure that we're doing a better job on the trainings in general. Overall, I hope that you are able to get out of these past 5 days how you could take this information on online assessments and the presentations and discussion boards and videos in your classroom to figure out how you could create a blended learning environment within your classroom. I think for most of you, probably the rotation or station model would be the best to use, where kids or students could be working on different things at different times between face-to-face learning and then also with your online model. Canvas is just a learning management system that we currently have at the time. Using these resources that we've now built, you should be able to take these same exact concepts and apply them to any new learning management system, so that nobody feels like we just had to learn this professional development just for Canvas. The skills and the knowledge that you've learned over the course of the past 5 days will help you with any new learning management system. I hope that you have enjoyed your time learning about the blended learning, and that you're able to use some of it in your classroom. Thank you.